Okay, so this is a situation where they're asking you to figure out how to compare different values from your data for different magnets. In this case, we've got a large magnet which has a best value of 48 millimeters and an uncertainty of 2 millimeters. That means the range is probably going to be between 46 and 50. If you put this on a graph, the way it looks like is this. Imagine you got a number line, and you go 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So if you're doing this, we'll say that our large magnet, we'll put that in red, right? So the range for this says it's between 46 and 50 millimeters. That means it's going to start about right here and end about here. So this is your large magnet right here, right? So there's your large magnet between 46 and 50. And the medium magnet, let's use a blue for that one. So this one is between 31 and 37. So 31's down here, and 37's up here. So this is your medium magnet right here, right? Which one of those is going to be stronger? The large one's going to be stronger because if you look at it, it's got a much farther distance that it attracts that paperclip. So the large magnet is much larger than the medium magnet. That means it is a stronger magnet. So you can say that this large magnet is stronger than the medium magnet because its numbers are bigger. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so write that down.
Large magnet
Is it stronger or weaker?
is stronger.
Stronger, exactly. Yep, okay, good. So if you look at their numbers, that makes sense. The large number, or the large magnet, has got much bigger numbers than the medium magnet, so it's obviously going to be stronger. But if we go to the small magnet, that's where things get a little bit different. We're going to make our small magnet green. So this best value is 31, and with an uncertainty of 2, that means the range is between 29 and 33. That means it starts off about here for the small magnet and ends up about here. So this right here is your small magnet. And the next question says, what claims can the team make about how the strength of the medium magnet compares to the strength of the small magnet? Can you tell me which one of them is stronger?
The medium.
Not necessarily.
Right?
Because look at the range. See how the medium range, like there's overlap there between the medium. The weakest medium magnet could be still weaker than the strongest small magnet. So because you have an overlap like that in the ranges, you can't pick which one of those is going to be stronger. Because you may have a situation where the weakest of one is still weaker than the strongest of the other. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So whenever you have overlap like that in your ranges, if you have overlapping ranges, you can't tell either way which one's stronger or weaker. You have to say, I don't know. It looks like the medium magnet is stronger, but the small magnet could potentially be stronger depending on the situation. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
That's how you work.